Ever found yourself wondering why your Shopify store isn't getting the traffic it deserves? Many store owners grapple with the intricacies of SEO, a crucial component of any online business. But don't worry, SEO isn't as complicated as it seems. Stick around and we'll break it down for you. So what is SEO really about? At its core, SEO, or search engine optimization, is about making your Shopify store more visible to search engines like Google. Search engines work by crawling through pages on the internet, and with the help of keywords, they categorize and rank these pages. Keywords are the phrases people use when they search for something online. The better your SEO, the higher your store will rank, which means more organic traffic. That's traffic you don't pay for. Now that you understand the basics, let's dive deeper into the steps you can take to improve your Shopify store's SEO. Improving your Shopify store's SEO can be broken down into 3 simple steps. First, keyword research. This is the foundation of your SEO strategy. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to identify relevant, high-volume keywords that your potential customers are using. Second, on-page SEO. This involves optimizing title tags, meta descriptions, and URLs to include your target keywords. Remember, make it natural and readable for humans, not just search engines. Finally, off-page SEO. This includes building quality backlinks to your Shopify store and leveraging social media signals. Engage with your audience on social platforms and encourage them to share your content. Remember, SEO is a long-term strategy. Don't expect immediate results. Consistency is key. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've uncovered the significance of SEO in the bustling world of Shopify stores and outlined how it works, from keywords to backlinks. We then delved into the 3-step process to enhance your store's SEO, optimizing your website structure, creating quality content, and building strong backlinks. That's it. With these SEO strategies in your toolbox, you're well on your way to driving more traffic to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and remember, patience and consistency are your best friends in the world of SEO.